In this video, I'm going to show you how to get iPhone 14 series wallpaper on any other iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up web browser, then open up google.com and in the search bar just enter iPhone 14 default wallpaper. It brings you to that web page where you can type right here at Images tab to sort just images here, and then you can go through that wallpapers, and once you find the wallpaper that you like, you can hold down on that image and then tap on Save to Photos. Now you can hop out of here and open up Settings. In Settings, scroll down until you find Wallpaper, then you can tap on Customize button under Home Screen or Lock Screen. I'll select Lock Screen, tap on Customize, and in here I can tap on that icon to open up my camera roll. I can hit right here at All and then select the picture that I have just downloaded. And now here, as you can see, I have just set default iPhone 14 series wallpaper on my iPhone 11. And now I can hop out of here and let me show you how it looks like now. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.